Thanks for stopping by to the Flavor Chef Kitchen. Today we're making Jamaican Festival, not Jamaican style, real authentic festival. So we use 1 cup of flour, right? Then we use 1/4 cup of white sugar. After that, we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. We call it pinch of salt in Jamaica, and a tablespoon of baking powder, right? After that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, softened butter, and then we're gonna add the main ingredients, which is cornmeal. My cornmeal was a little bit too thick, so I had to use a strainer, which you can get the refined cornmeal, which you don't have to end up like me doing all that hard work. It's much easier to do when you have the right ingredients. So we're mixing all of that in. Make sure the butter and flour and the salt and the baking powder, everything is combined in one. After adding that, you want to make sure the mixture is well mixed. You use your hand and you put it together, yeah? After we do that, we're going to get a 1/2 cup of milk. There you go. We got a 1/2 cup. When adding the milk, you don't want to throw in all of it at the same time, right? Because your flour might get too soft. So you add in a little bit and then you mix it in. And the more you want to get a dough texture, so you mix it until all that milk that you just throw in is gone. Then you add some more to the flour and mix it in again. When everything is combined, you don't have to use all the entire milk, right? There you go. See, I'm mixing it in, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more. That's it. After combining everything together, if it's too soft, you're gonna do like me, flash some flour over it, and then everything will come together. That literally takes about 5 minutes to get together, even less. Just move your hand faster, you get me? After doing that, kneading the flour, making sure all the ingredients is tightly in one. Knead everything together. We're going to wrap it, yeah? And we're going to leave it for, I would say, about 20 minutes to 25 minutes after wrapping it. This is just one ingredient, so you can get at least about 6 or 8, depends on the size festival that you mix. You can feed for 2 people or even 3. These are a really great festival. So we wrap it and we'll leave it for about 25 minutes. Just make all the baking powder and all the ingredients that you add come together by resting it. You don't have to make sure you don't put it in the fridge. Just leave it out, room temperature. After that, you break off the dough, small side, and you roll it. And then you press the inside flat. You see I lay some flour on the counter first, so it don't stick to the counter. And you just roll and flatten it out. Don't watch what the flat, because it's going to just poof right up because you left it for a while to set. That's after the 25 minutes right there. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna roll each one. And remember guys, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let me get you guys support, because that's all I'm asking for. So fryer ready. That's at 350 degrees. After drop to the bottom of the oil, as soon as the dough start frying the right way, it will just automatically lift up in the oil. Just start floating up. And because I did it flat before, as soon as one side is fully crystal brown, you just flip it over and your festival gonna be amazing. Anyway, We'll flip over the festival them now. You see the color what you want to get, and you want to get this on both sides. You're not gonna believe inside of it when this is done, and that's how you want it. Golden, those golden color. Look on that, rich, ready to eat. And you can serve this with fish. You can serve this with jerk pork. You can serve this with jerk chicken. It goes well with ackee and saltfish. Like we callaloo and salt, like we do a lot with when it come on to these festivals. See that? And that's how you want it. Anytime it look like that, you took it out your fryer and you rest them. I have a container there. I just put a piece of on towel on the bottom and make them rest. And trust me, these don't take in no oil at all. No matter how you squeeze it, there's no oil you're going to find inside of it. As long as your oil is the right temperature, you'll be fine. And there you go, guys. Nice, crispy, soft, fluffy Jamaican festival. Yeah, I'm going to break one and make you guys see. I couldn't resist. I had to eat it. You know. There you go. Look on that. Hot, nice, and just fluffy on the inside. So there you go. Jamaican festival for you. Enjoy the recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy.